In this video, we listed the 5 best stick vacuums that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Miele Triflex HX1. The Miele 3-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner is designed for exceptional flexibility and powerful performance, making it suitable for multi-surface cleaning, including floors, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas. Weighing only 7.9 pounds, it features a robust 25.2-volt battery that provides up to 60 minutes of run time, ensuring thorough cleaning without the hassle of cords. The vacuum is equipped with an extra-wide multi-floor XXL electrobrush that automatically detects floor types for optimal cleaning efficiency. Additionally, it includes a maintenance-free hygiene lifetime filter that boasts over 99.9% dust retention capacity, ensuring a clean environment. The package comes complete with essential components such as a power unit, battery, handle, wand, power head, docking station, and various cleaning tools, making it a versatile choice for comprehensive home cleaning. Number 2. Samsung Stick Vacuum. The Samsung Bespoke Jet Vacuum Cleaner combines contemporary design with advanced cleaning technology, making it a stylish and efficient choice for home cleaning. Weighing just 6 pounds and featuring a cordless, battery-powered operation with a robust 25.2 volts, this vacuum is both lightweight and portable, ideal for maneuvering across various surfaces, including carpet, hardwood, and tile. Its innovative turbo-hex motor technology delivers powerful suction of up to 210 AW, ensuring effective dirt removal while maintaining user comfort. The vacuum is equipped with a clean station that empties the dustbin with a simple button press, retaining 99.99% of dust and debris for a cleaner environment. Additionally, the 5-layer HEPA filtration system captures 99.999% of microdust particles, promoting better air quality. The Jet Dual Brush allows seamless transitions between different floor types without the need for brush roll changes, and the accessory cradle provides organized storage and charging for extra batteries. A digital display offers convenient access to power levels and alerts, while the product is backed by a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. Number 3. Proscenic Vacuum Cleaner. The Proscenic cordless vacuum cleaner is designed for versatile cleaning across various surfaces, including laminate, hardwood, carpet, and ceramic tiles. Weighing only 4.6 kilograms, this lightweight model is powered by a robust 28.8-volt battery, making it easy to maneuver around the home. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it effectively captures fine particles and allergens, ensuring a cleaner environment. The vacuum comes with a brush included in its components, enhancing its cleaning efficiency for different floor types. Its cordless design provides added convenience for users looking for a hassle-free cleaning experience. Number 4. Shark WS632 Stick Vacuum. The Shark cordless hand vacuum is a powerful and lightweight cleaning solution, weighing just under 2.1 pounds, making it the most powerful cordless vacuum in its class according to ASTM F558 standards. Featuring a HEPA filter and a reusable, washable design, it is equipped with a portable charging base that offers versatile storage and charging options to suit various cleaning needs. The vacuum excels in performance with its hypervelocity accelerated suction power, optimized for both upholstery and carpet surfaces. It includes convenient features such as a one-touch hygienic dust cup for mess-free emptying, a boost mode for tackling tougher messes, and the ability to transition between cleaning modes effortlessly. Additionally, its PowerFins technology ensures deep cleaning by maintaining continuous contact with surfaces, enhancing its effectiveness in handling dirt and debris. Number 5. Roborock H7 Stick Vacuum. The Roborock H7 Stick Vacuum is a lightweight, cordless cleaning solution designed for efficient and effective home maintenance. Featuring a powerful 160 AW Hyperforce suction capability, it ensures deep cleaning across various surfaces while maintaining certified constant suction power. With a remarkable runtime of 90 minutes, the vacuum can operate without needing to swap batteries, and it recharges from empty in just 2.5 hours. The 5-stage HEPA air filtration system effectively traps dust and allergens, promoting cleaner air quality within your home. Weighing only 3.1 pounds, the vacuum is easy to maneuver, and its OLED screen provides real-time updates on performance. Additionally, the vacuum comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including a multi-surface brush, dusting brush, and a wall-mountable docking station for convenient storage and easy access to attachments.